Okay, this is a short demonstration of version 1.2.7 of the PMGS stamp album page generator for Scribus. I've made one little addition with this version, so this video is just a little demo of exactly what that is. For those who've used the plugin before or the script before, you'll know that anytime you went to insert boxes onto a page, the boxes always got inserted onto the page you were on. For example, if you look here at my tables on the left, I have 4 stamps that are marked as true, meaning I want to include them. 2 up here at the top, and 2 in a different set down here at the bottom. And if I exported these out and ran the script, I would get all 4 of them on the page that I'm currently sitting on when I run the script. There's the 2 big ones, and there was the 2 little ones, which were the first set. Okay, this is nice, but it can make it a little difficult if you're trying to generate quite a few pages, because basically what you would have to do, let's say that instead of wanting all 4 of these on one page, you wanted these 2 small ones on this page, but you wanted these 2 larger ones to be on the next page. Under the old versions, what you would have to do is you would have to go in and generate these 2 small ones on this page. Then you would have to create a new page, go to that new page, and then go back over here, change your data, and generate the 2 large ones. So you basically were limited to generating only on the page that you were sitting on. And if you were trying to generate bulk items, it could be a little bit of a pain to constantly be having to go back over here, export it out and run it, go back over here, export it out and run it, so on and so forth for multiple pages. So what I've done is I've added the ability to generate to bulk generate the boxes across multiple pages at one time. Now in the spreadsheet, there is a new column in the data tables called page offset. Right now it is set to 0. When it's set to 0, the boxes that have it set to 0 are going to be generated on the page that you're sitting on when you run the script. So right now I'm sitting on page 1 of 1. When I run the script, everything with a 0 is going to get generated on this page. But what this new addition allows me to do, let's say that this other set that I wanted on the next page, I change that offset to 1. What it's going to do is it's going to generate these 2 on the page that I'm sitting on when I run the script, and then it's going to jump 1 page forward because I have a 1 here and generate this next pair. So here we go. And you'll notice that because there was no page 2, it's actually creating the page 2 as we go. So there's the 2 small ones on the page we ran it on. And then 1 page later, there is the other pair. And you can up this some more, like for example, if this was set to 2, then we would get, and if I ran it on the first page, page 1 here, then you would get 2 of them on the original page. It would then skip the next page and put the bottom pair on page 3, because again the offset is now 2 instead of 1, so it's going to jump 2 pages forward to generate those boxes. So there's your 2 on the page we were sitting on, and there's your 2 pages later. And it will create as many pages as necessary to accommodate that offset as you go. So this will now hopefully allow you to generate boxes across multiple pages a little faster than you have been able to with previous versions. So give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks a lot.